Hello class, in this video tutorial you are going to learn on how to create your analysis for your stock market project. So you're going to need your project, and what you have to do is you have to create a Google Docs with the initial investment, which in this case will be at the top and from cells A1 all the way to A10, so column, and also column B2 all the way through B10, which is your total original cost. So in this case, I'm going to use Snapchat. Your price per share for the 16, which was Monday, was $9.06. Quantity that you bought was 100. The total original cost will be 906. So that's your total original investment. So this is what you have to do. You have to create a logo for each company. It will be your initial investment. In this case, Monday, March 16, 2020. Price per share, the quantity, how many shares you bought of Snapchat, and your total original investment was $906. The next thing you have to do is, in order for us to do the analysis, we have to put today's price per share. So you're going to put today's date, March 20th, 2020. The price per share at the moment of Snapchat, it's $9.47. So you will also need to go into your Yahoo Finance and look at your stock price for today. Then you're going to calculate the profit and loss, your new total cost of investment, and your profit and loss percentages. You will get all that information from today's stock price. So you need to calculate your new total cost, your profit and loss, and your profit and loss percentage. The stock market has been not doing well, so I'm going to show you an example. If your your company is doing not so good, if you have a loss, so pretty much you're going to do the same thing. This is for my personal finance. They started at 228, and they will do today's date. An example will be, if the company is doing negative, your profit and loss will have to go in red, as well as your profit and loss percentages. I hope this video is helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.